Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about the best strategy to accept customer payments on Cash App. Now, the best strategy to accept customer payment on Cash App is to make the process simple, transparent, and consistent. You want to share your cash tag clearly on invoices, receipts, social medias, or checkout pages so that customers know exactly where to send payments. Confirm payments only after they appear in your Cash App balance and not through screenshots or messages. Use payment notes to identify what each transaction is for, such as a product or service name. You also want to set clear expectations with customers about payment timing, about refunds, and confirmations. Avoid accepting payments from unknown sources without context, as this can trigger account review. A structured approach builds trust, reduces disputes, and also keeps your Cash App activities clean and professional. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.